Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monaik. Today I need to discuss an important problem of determinant. This is Engineering Mathematics 1, author Chitranjan Malik and Sushmita Malik. This is the exercise of determinant. Question number 12. Okay. Prove that b plus c whole square, b square c square, a square c plus a whole square c square, a square b square, a plus b whole square determinant is equal to 2abc a plus b plus c whole cube. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. You take LHS. LHS is equal to b plus c whole square, b square, b square, c square, a square, c plus a whole square, c square, a square, b square, a plus b whole square. Okay, now you take c1 tends to c1, c2 minus c1 you take c2 minus c1, c2 tends to c2 tends to c2 minus c1, c3 tends to c3 minus c1. You change like this. Okay, here you see given b plus c whole square. We no need to change b plus c, no need to change c1, that means b plus c whole square, b square, c square. We have to change only c2 and c3. c2 is equal to c2 minus c1, that is a square minus this much, a square minus b plus c whole square. Okay, then c plus a whole square minus b square, c square minus c square, that is 0, c square minus c square, that is 0. Okay, this you can get 0. A square minus b plus c whole square. Okay, then b square minus b square is equal to 0. A plus b whole square minus c square. Okay, is equal to b plus c whole square, b plus c whole square, b square, c square by, you see, a square minus b plus c whole square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. A minus b, that is a minus b minus c, that is minus b plus c, minus b minus c, sorry, a minus b plus c, that means a minus b minus c. Okay, here you can get c plus a plus b. Okay, again c plus a minus b, that means a plus b plus c. Here a plus b plus c, otherwise you write c plus a minus b, c plus a plus b. Okay, c plus a minus b, 0. Here also you get a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a minus b minus c, that is a minus b minus c. Okay, here you can get 0, and this is a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c. Okay, now taking common a plus b plus c from, you see, here a plus b plus c, here a plus b plus c, from c1, it's not c1, c2, and again c3. Here also a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. That means you can get a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, the rest one is b plus c whole square. Okay, b square c square. Here you can get a minus b minus c, c plus a minus b 0, a minus b minus c 0, a plus b minus c. Okay, is equal to, you see now you now r2 tends to, okay, r2 tends to r1 tends to, write down r1 tends to r1 minus r2 minus r3. Okay, r1 minus r2 plus r3 write down, or r1 minus r2 minus r3 write down. You can get a plus b plus c whole square. You see here b plus c whole square, that is b square plus c square. Okay, this is plus 2bc minus b square minus c square. Okay, minus r2 minus r3. These two will cancel out. You can get 2bc only here. You can get 2bc. Okay, here b square c square. Here how much you get? A minus b minus c minus a plus b. C plus a minus b, that is minus c minus a plus b, that is plus a minus a cancel out. Okay, plus b minus b cancel out, that is minus 2c. Here c plus a minus b 0. Here you see a minus b minus c, a minus b minus c. Okay, a minus b minus c minus a minus b. Here a b minus c, minus a minus b plus c. That means minus a plus a cancel out, plus c minus c cancel out, minus 2b. Here you can get minus 2b 0, a plus b minus c. Okay, now you change c2 tends to c2 plus 1 by b c1. Again c3 tends to c3 plus 1 by c c1. Okay, you see this is a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, this is equal to 2bc b square c square. Okay, this is equal to 2bc b square c square. You see here c2 tends to c2 plus half 1 by b c1. That means c2 is equal to minus 2c plus 1 by b. c1 is equal to 2bc. b cancel out, minus 2c plus 2c become 0. Understood? 0. Again you see c plus a minus b plus 1 by b c1 is equal to b square. This square, this b will cancel out, minus b plus b cancel out, only c plus a. You can get c plus a. Here you see 0 plus 1 by b c square. c1 means c square, that means c square by b. You can get c square by b. Okay, here you see c3 plus 1 by c c1. c3 is equal to minus 2b plus 1 by c c1 is equal to 2bc. You see c cancel out, this is plus 2b, this is minus 2b, this 2 will cancel out, become 0. Okay, and c3, that is 0 plus 1 by c c1, that is b square, by c. Here you can get b square by c. Here C3, that is a plus b minus c plus 1 by c into c square. This square, this c cancel out, minus c plus c cancel out. Okay, a plus b, you can get a plus b. Okay, is equal to, you see, is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square, that is 2bc into c plus a into a plus b, c plus a into a plus b minus c square by b into b square by c. Okay, you see, square and c cancel out, b and this square cancel out. That means a plus b plus c whole square 2bc. Okay, that is a c or ca, write down ca plus bc plus a square plus ab. Okay, minus bc. You see, plus bc minus bc cancel out, is equal to a plus b plus c whole square 2bc. Okay, ca plus a square plus ab. Taking common a from here, you can get 2b from a, you taking common a, that is 2abc, a plus b plus c whole square. If you taking common here, c plus a plus b, that means 2abc a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, this is your RHS, is equal to RHS. Okay, it is proved. You see the next question, question number 13. If ax plus by plus g is equal to 0, hx plus by plus f is equal to 0, and gx plus fy plus c equal to lambda, find the value of lambda in the form of determinant. At first you write the equation ax plus hy plus g is equal to 0, hx plus by plus f is equal to 0, gx plus fy plus c is equal to lambda. Okay, that means you write del is equal to, you write the determinant. Okay, ahg hbf gf, this is, I can write here c minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, this can be written as gx plus fy, okay, this can be written as gx plus fy minus c plus c minus lambda is equal to 0. That means this is in the form of g minus 0, f minus 0, c minus lambda. Okay, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. gf c minus lambda, that is, we can write g minus 0, f minus 0, c minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to, you see, is equal to, you find, you can separate it, you can form two determinant ahg hbf gfc, this is one determinant, minus ahg hbf 0 0 lambda, this is another determinant, is equal to 0. Okay, that means ahg hbf gfc minus, you find the determinant of this. These two are 0, that is lambda into, okay, AHB is equal to 0. That means AHG, HBF, GFC is equal to lambda into, okay, minus lambda I can take into right side. This become AB minus H square. Okay, that means lambda into AB minus H square is equal to AHG, HBF, GFC. Lambda is equal to 1 by AB minus H square, AHG, HBF, GFC. Okay, this is your question number 13. Question number 14 and 14 A, B is the same as question number 2 C and D. You see, okay, question number 2 C and D already I have done earlier. Okay, so this is the end of the exercise.